Hi, Juan Milanes on behalf of the law offices of Juan Milanes, 703-880-4881. And today's question is, who can file bankruptcy? Well, the short answer is pretty much anyone can file bankruptcy. Any person or corporate entity can file bankruptcy. Whether you're an individual, a married couple can file together or separately. Corporate entities such as an LLC, S corporation, C corporation, partnership. Basically, if you are in a situation where you're unable to service your debt obligations in conformity with the terms of the contract for that debt, then you can utilize the bankruptcy code for protection. So is there a minimum debt required for bankruptcy? The answer is no. There's no minimum debt required in order to obtain protection under the bankruptcy code. But we do suggest that, given the fact that it can only be used no more than once every 8 years under the same code, and also that there are so many other alternatives that for smaller amounts may be more applicable, whether it's debt consolidation, debt settlement, credit counseling, that you take a look at those. So if you're less than $10,000, you really don't want to spend, say, $2,000 on a bankruptcy because it's something you want to preserve for long-term illness, becoming unemployed, divorce, those factors that are outside of your control that may cause you to utilize the bankruptcy code for protection. The other question that I get asked a lot is, what about immigration status? Do you need to be a U.S. citizen? And the answer is no. You can be a U.S. citizen, legal permanent resident, political asylee, refugee, temporary protected status, even undocumented aliens can file for bankruptcy protection. The question is whether or not you've committed fraud in obtaining credit. For example, if you've used someone else's Social Security number, well, you're not going to file bankruptcy for someone else's Social Security number. It should be under your Social Security number, or if you're undocumented, maybe you have a tax ID number, a TIN, that you've obtained credit under. And if it's your TIN, well, then you can obtain bankruptcy relief if you're in a situation where you need it. So basically, again, you just need to be 18 years old to have the right to contract and be a real, live, living person for consuming bankruptcy. Again, this is Juan Milanes. I hope this has been helpful. 703-880-4881.